welcome to episode 3 of our series. So today we'll be looking at the third tool in our list, the Lasso Tool, or should I say the third set, Lasso Tool, polygonal Lasso Tool, magnetic Lasso Tool. So we start first with the first here, and the shortcut of course, as you can see, is L. So third set. Now you can, the way to use this is to click and drag to highlight whatever you want to highlight. Yes, and you can also move it around or adjust it whichever way you like. To deselect, you control D to deselect the selection. That goes for every other thing. And this polygonal lasso tool, a lot of you guys might already know it, because mostly when you learn how to crop in Photoshop, this is the first tool you're taught how to use. Probably some of you, some might use the pen tool. So this, you have to follow your subject directly to make sure you follow the edges properly, so you don't have rough edges or the background being a part of the picture, making it unneat. And there you have it. You selected it using this. So when it's here, it means if I select any other thing, it adds it, including to the selections. And if I click on this, it will subtract whatever other selection I have out of it. Another way to do this is to either press Alt or Shift. Alt will make it minus, Shift will make it plus. So you can see this sign beneath it. Shift for plus, Alt for minus. In case you do not want to do this, then this will automatically create its own selection apart from what you've selected. So either way, that's how you do it. So for every other selection, including the last episode, for every other selection, you use plus to add a selection, a selected area to where you selected. You use minus to subtract it. Or you can come here and click on this and you get your selections. So the next on our list is the magnetic lasso tool. I hope you can remember Ctrl D to deselect. And the magnetic lasso tool is kind of the easiest, that gives you exactly what you want. So you just have to click once and then keep dragging along the area you want it to go to. So as long as you drag it, it will be attracted to the edges and directly make the selection. So when you get to the point, you click and your selection is created. So I'll say that again. You just click once at where you want to begin, then drag. You release it and drag all over the selected area, the area you want to select, and it will be attracted to the edges, and when you get to the end, you click to close the selection, and boom, there you have it. The same thing goes for here. You can add the selection, you can minus a selection, subtract or remove a selection, and you can also create another selection apart from what you've done. And there that goes away. So Ctrl D to deselect, and there you have it, the lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, the magnetic lasso tool, all comes in L. So like we said before, you can press L, then Shift L to switch between tools, and there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. See ya.